gonna get another package from Shopee. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm gonna use it with a scissor. Later, I'm gonna unbox something. So it's not a box. It's a Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth, but with an operating. Okay, where do I put this? Guess I'm gonna just put it on the side. Okay, let's unwrap the bubble wrap. Okay, this is kinda hard. Okay, that was easy though. That is kinda loud, honestly. Oh my god, you should look at that. Tony Fisher on the box. It's an honor to see his face on the box though. Actually, I have this before, but I've traded it with a mirror blocks because the white was kinda, well, obviously this is white too, but I bought another one. So this is Tony Fisher, the creator of the Fisher Cube, and this is the biography, I think. Let's read it. Hi, my name is Tony Fisher, and I was 14 years old when the Rubik's Cube first came to Great Britain in 1980. I quickly became obsessed with it, and after 3 days I had worked out on my own solution as well as solving puzzles. I collected them, but there weren't very many in the 1980s, so I started to make my own. I was probably the first person to make puzzles this way, and the Fisher Cube is the one I am most well known for. I made it in the mid 80s, and although it's similar to a regular Rubik's Cube, extra processors are required to deal with the centers. It's a funny twisted cube for puzzle fans. Okay. If only they had a black version of this, I would be happy, but they only have white that is available. Okay, so let's unbox it. It would be accurate if we scramble it with the black version of it, and we can tumble with this on at the top of the box. Okay. Oh my god, brings so much memories. This cube brings so much memories for me. And now here it is. Oh my god, I think it's kinda loose though. Okay, let's do first turns, I guess. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not cheap. It's kinda average shape-shifting puzzle. Oh my god. What just happened? Oh, the center cup fell off. The camera is really out focusing for a moment. It's been out focusing for a while, a minute ago. I don't know why. Okay, let's do first things. Okay, I've been doing that a while ago. I just didn't say that. Okay, that age sperm was kinda good. Let's do checkerboard pattern. Okay. That looks unnecessary. Okay. I can solve this, but I don't think I'm gonna scramble it. Okay. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye. Oh, I think I'm gonna need to copy the scramble sequence at the top of the box. Wait. Okay, so in the center, red and blue. At the top, yellow. Okay. I think I'm not gonna do it. It's gonna take a long time. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.